In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can choose English language on Duolingo. You can simply select English on Duolingo in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Duolingo app. Right here, tap on Get Started if you don't have a Duolingo account. If you have the account, just tap on this option right here. Then click on Continue. Then still press on Continue, and on this page, you will have to select any language you would wish to learn. Let's say you want to learn English language. If you scroll through, you won't see the option of the English language. To select the English language, get to the last option of More. Then right here, let's say you speak French and you would like to learn English, head into the English language right here for people who speak French. That's how easy it is. Let's say you speak Japanese, head into the English language for people who speak Japanese. So guys, that's how easy it is to select English language on Duolingo. If you have any questions regarding to this video, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.